Here it comes.
Get ready to feel the adrenaline surge. Massive trees, monstrous chainsaws, and the raw power of nature unleashed. This video pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of logging. The saying, "It's the tree that decides how it falls," always holds true. Whoa, check out this beast of a machine. This Volvo loader can lift a whopping 19 tons. And lucky for them, they've got a skilled driver who's going to make this unload look easy. Stay tuned to see this heavy-duty action. Whoa, that was intense. I had no idea logging could be so acrobatic. I'm definitely going to stick to chopping firewood in my backyard. Oh my gosh, that's got to be the craziest thing I've seen all week. Seriously though, hope everyone's okay. And dude, next time, just hire a tree service. Even a beast like the Valmet 840.3 must bow to Mother Nature's wrath. Mud, the eternal nemesis of logging trucks, has claimed its prize. A payload abandoned, a temporary surrender, but freedom is the ultimate victory. Even when we try to adjust the direction in which the tree falls, in the end, the tree itself decides which way it will fall.
The road. It's going that way.
Oh my gosh, you have to see this. Holzwerke Ladenburger isn't just a company, it's a testament to German engineering prowess. Their fully automated production line is a marvel to behold, transforming raw timber into perfect planks with surgical precision. It's a symphony of technology and efficiency that leaves you in awe. It's tough to say if they know what they're doing or not.
Here we go. It's coming down. It's coming down. This guy here. There it goes.
Check out this Fendt 942 Vario. This beast is paired with a Gens HEM583 wood chipper, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The Vario's got the muscle to handle any terrain, and the HEM583 can chew through massive logs like they're twigs. This combo is all about efficiency and power, maximizing productivity for any forestry operation. This is the John Deere 1270G with the H415 head, and it's an absolute beast. I've never seen anything like it. It moves with such grace and power, it's like watching a ballet of destruction. And can you believe the price? A brand new one will set you back $437,000, but you can snag a used one for a steal between $175,000 and $245,000. That's a lot of bang for your buck. Meet the future of forestry, the Logset 12 HGTE Hybrid. This game changer blends brawn and brains, harnessing both diesel and electric power for a greener, more efficient harvest. Its rugged design and smart tech tackle any logging challenge, while the roomy, comfy cabin keeps operators happy and productive. It's time to rethink what's possible in sustainable forestry. Let's talk truck unloading. This machine is all about getting the job done quickly, grabbing the whole load at once. And the best part? It's got a ton of gripper options, so you can customize it for any kind of package. Boom! Whoa, check out how they handle those branches. It's not as easy as it looks. See how the climber adjusts to the helicopter's movement? That's crucial with those big machines and unpredictable winds. Safety first, and watch that smooth exit when the load drops. Textbook. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
La madre se está por... Sí. Bien. Regresémonos.
Holy smokes! Did you see that thing go? It's like a wood-eating tornado, stripping that log bare in the blink of an eye. I've never seen anything like it. A fallen tree doesn't mean safety. You only know its true condition after an incident. Just like this man, who didn't realize how much tension the tree was under. This is exactly why most professional logging takes place in the middle of winter. Whoa! Felling a leaning giant like that is a real process, isn't it? I once saw a tree leaning for 30 years, just wondering who'd be brave enough to take it down. Then an awesome crew shows up, smiles all around, and they just handle it like it's nothing. The image is forever etched in my mind. That Husqvarna 395 XP is a fine tool, no doubt. But remember, folks, felling a tree that size is a serious undertaking. It's twice as hard and twice as dangerous as anybody thinks. Always prioritize safety. Drama, action, excitement. This operator is taking on those stubborn stumps with the mighty Carlton 7015 TRX. Will they conquer the yard, or will the stumps fight back? Stay tuned to find out. I know what you're thinking. No way those horses can do that. But guess what? They did. This amazing video proves that sometimes reality is more incredible than we can imagine. Ever seen a pro logger in action? They're like tree whisperers, sensing every subtle shift. That's how they keep themselves and everyone around safe. Forget your fancy trucks. This Belarus MTZ 122 1.2 tractor with its DIY trailer is the real MPV of logging. Watch it navigate a muddy forest like a boss, proving that sometimes the best solutions are the ones you build yourself. When precision meets power, even giants tremble. A Husqvarna 390 XPG, a Steel 36 spar, and a skilled hand bring down a titan of the forest. The air crackles with anticipation as steel meets bark, a symphony of power and precision. Prepare to be captivated as this majestic giant succumbs to its inevitable fate. Now this is impressive. The Valmet 921. You're looking at a Cummins engine, capable of handling 21.5 tons. This isn't just about brute force, though. We're talking cutting-edge control systems designed for maximum efficiency and minimal environmental impact. In the world of forestry, this is as advanced as it gets. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Nature never ceases to amaze me, but sometimes human decisions leave us scratching our heads. I don't really get why they cut it down, but I guess there's a reason for everything. What do you guys think? Maybe we can learn something from this. Whoa, that was intense! I've never seen a truck handle a slippery slope like that. It's like the truck and the driver are dancing a dangerous tango. I wouldn't even attempt that in my wildest dreams. This is a stark reminder of the power of nature. Removing the root ball is a delicate operation, fraught with risk. That's why we rely on experienced professionals and top-of-the-line equipment. Safety is paramount. Every cut is calculated, every movement deliberate. Today, we saw a textbook example of how to get the job done right. A job well done and a... All right, folks, I want to show you something that'll blow your mind. This right here is the John Deere 1270E harvester with the H425 head. It's a productivity monster with 255 horsepower, an 8.6 meter crane reach, and a head that can cut through trees up to 750 millimeters in diameter. Big trees? No problem. Now it's not cheap, coming in at $331,000 for the 1270E and $47,000 for the H425. But trust me, the investment is worth it. Wow, talk about a blast from the past. Submerging those logs is ingenious, minimizes decay and keeps pests away. This is authentic lumber production, folks. The aroma of fresh-cut timber, the rhythmic chug of the steam engine, witnessing those colossal logs meet the saw. It's a symphony of traditional craftsmanship. Hull Oaks is a living testament to a bygone era of lumber production. It's remarkable to witness a mill like this still in operation, and those guys are clearly masters of their craft. The power. It's mind-blowing. I can't believe how quickly it sliced through that wood. Impressed. Transporting tons of wood on roads like these is a real challenge. Things don't always go smoothly, and you need to be prepared for unexpected risks at all times.
Se lo mete mucho. Mire, ve que no lo suelta, Ahí sí.
Reforestation isn't just about replenishing nature's bounty. It's a shield against environmental degradation, a weapon against climate change, and a lifeline for our ecosystems. Brachyforest. T26. A isn't just a machine. It's a champion in this fight, making reforestation efforts not only more effective, but also more sustainable. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a powerful tool that boosts productivity while safeguarding our planet's future. Oh, the sheer exhilaration. Imagine yourself at the helm of this magnificent beast, a John Deere skidder, as it effortlessly dances through the forest. The roar of its engine is music to your ears, a symphony of power and precision. You feel an adrenaline rush as you conquer challenging slopes and haul colossal logs with ease. It's an adventure that awakens your inner child. This is where the legendary loggers work, and this is the machinery they use to get the job done. Felling a tree is a serious undertaking. It's not just about grabbing a saw and going to town. A meticulous approach is crucial, with each step carefully planned and executed.
Here it comes.
Sydney's about to get a whole lot cleaner thanks to this Vermeer BC 2100 XL. Watch as it takes down this massive gum tree in seconds. Despite challenging road conditions due to recent rainfall, our timber hauling operation continues uninterrupted. Our heavy machinery is well equipped to handle adverse terrain. Oh, come on. Forestry friends, get ready to be amazed. The Ponce Scorpion King and H7 Harvester Head are here to revolutionize the way we work with nature. It's like a high five between technology and sustainability. With this powerful duo, we can harvest timber efficiently while minimizing our impact on the environment. Let's give a cheer for innovation and responsible forestry. The Norwood Portamill PM14, priced at $880 USD, is a portable sawmill that transforms your chainsaw into a milling tool for logs up to 14 inches in diameter. This affordable solution offers professional milling capabilities without the cost of a full-size sawmill, making it perfect for those needing occasional lumber production. Whoa! Check out this beastly Cat 349F in action. That 61-inch bucket is insane. But hold up, no thumb? How are they going to handle those massive stumps? This is wild. Smash that like button and subscribe for more epic construction content. Felling an 11-ton, 600-year-old Zelkova tree is no small feat. It requires a deep understanding of tree biology, precise calculations, and specialized equipment. The Japanese have a long tradition of respecting nature and working in harmony with it. This operation likely involved meticulous planning and execution, a testament to their skill and dedication. The moment I saw that face cut, I knew exactly what was going to happen. Glad no one got hurt. Now that's what I call getting down to business. This bad boy makes mincemeat of those stumps. Effortless, efficient, and oh so satisfying to watch. If you've got land to clear, this is your new best friend. Whoa, that's one massive dug fir. 7 feet across, huh? Sadly, advanced decay's taken hold, but the base might still harbor some usable timber. Heavy conch growth and rot halfway up. Nature's reclaiming it, but hey, it went out with a bang.